What's up everybody, this is Jordan with Ivey Lumber. We're just here going to show you guys a project that we got going on down here in Mansfield. It's a house that we got going that we're supplying the material for. That's kind of a remodel. We're going to gut it and we're going to do some cool things on the inside that we'll be able to come back and check out later. But right now we just want to show you guys just the first stage of what we got going on. So outside you see here, we'll be having all new paint that we have at the store that we're going to be using. We'll re-roof it with some Malarkey shingles that we have in stock. And just a couple things just to bring it a little more up to date. So let's go inside and check out some things. All right, so in here we're in the very main room. What we got here is the living room. It's got that vaulted ceiling in here. It already had some beams there with some cedar beams that we're going to keep up there. We're just going to keep those how they are. It's got the old popcorn textured ceiling, so we'll get that in. We'll get it scraped off. We'll just get it all repainted. And on the walls, we've re-drywalled it with the drywall that we have in stock. We keep 4x8 and 4x12 half-inch regular rock, and obviously water rock and fire rock where we need it. But what it had was, you can see over here, it had the old 4x8 paneling sheets there, all up in this main room, and tearing that off and putting the sheetrock up. That way we can go back, tape float and texture it, get it painted. Probably go with kind of a lightish grayish color. All right, so we moved from in there, which you can turn and see. It's kind of just an open floor plan. The way they had it before, right here where I'm standing, it was kind of a barrier between the kitchen and the dining area. But a lot of people now like that open floor plan. So what we did is we removed this here. It was a grill top, stove top that people were using with a vent there, but we tore all that out and we're going to make it open. Got some new unfinished cabinets over here that we're going to redo. We had to reposition some of the appliances and things like that, but we're going to get that. We're going to get those painted. Not quite sure on the color, but you'll be able to see next time we come back. So we're basically redoing the entire kitchen with the sink. We're going to have all the new appliances in here, but when we take a walk this way, going to be redoing some of this is like a little pantry closet here. We'll put a double door there that we got there through the store. So we'll put the double door, that way they have room, they can open them up and then get in there. And over here, the master, we got boxes and stuff everywhere. We've been kind of cleaning everything out. We took up all the old floor and we'll get some new floors in down here. Most everywhere in this house, the fixtures are kind of the shop light look, but we'll be tearing all those out and putting in new fixtures, new fans and lights throughout the whole place with lights that we have at the store, or some of them we may have to order, but you know, through our website doitbest.com we can order everything, and we get trucks on Monday mornings and Thursdays, so we'll get those coming in if we don't have them in stock, but we can get them very quick. And in here in the bathroom, again, we just kind of tore everything out so we could redo some things. Got in a new tub and shower kit that we put in, so we'll get that going. Then we also had the Delta Windermere for the handles and the faucet and all like that we had there in stock at the store in Mansfield, that we'll install all those when it comes time to trim it out. We'll also replace the toilets with the Pro Fits that we have there at the store in Mansfield and in Halton. We have them in both stores. So all the doors that were in this house, they were all just this flush with no design on it here. So we ripped all those out for the most part. We'll keep this one and paint it because it's a cut down unit since it sits off the floors for the AC. We'll keep that one there. We'll just get it painted. But every other door in the house we tore out with the frame and all. We'll go back with a 6 panel that we keep in stock there at the store. We'll get all those changed out. You can see this beautiful pink bedroom. So we'll obviously be repainting everything. Probably go just one color throughout the whole house. Like I said, probably that nice light gray, something like that. And then we got the same thing in this bathroom. We'll add some new cabinets to it. We got the tub shower kit in there also. Kind of the same setup in this bathroom as the last. That's what we got going on right now. So we'll come back here in a few weeks and hopefully we'll have you something else to look at. And yeah, we'll see you soon.